Hello guys, my name is Arun and welcome to my channel. This series is actually a series of tutorials on Python hacks wherein I'll be telling you guys some interesting concepts that you can do with Python. And in this tutorial, this is going to be a super short tutorial. I'll be explaining you guys a nice way to print your PDF, to print the slides of your IPython presentations. Now here's the thing. Now when you guys run an IPython presentation, what happens is that you get the slides in an HTML format. But if you guys wanted to present it to some other audience in some systems wherein you don't have Python installed or something like that, it will be better if you have the contents written in the form of PDF. Okay, in the form of PDF. So for that, it's easy to print them and to get them in PDF. That's what I'm going to tell you guys today. What you have to do is that first of all, go to the directory in which your presentation is ready. For me, in my directory I have notes on these stuff. Okay, I'm going to open up Fortran tutorial. I'll show you guys my Fortran slides over here. So I need to make this as some slides. Okay, so what I do is that I just have to type IPython, just type nb convert, just type IPython nb convert, and then your IPython notebook. For instance, for me it's fortran.ipynb. Okay, you type your Python notebook over here, and then what you do is just type give us two minus signs and type 2 slides, and then space 2 minus signs, and then type post serve. This is necessary. So if you do it, and you will get your presentation ready over here, which you can scroll down and stuff, and your presentation will be ready. Okay, now here's the thing. Now if you want to print it, it's very simple. What you have to do, if you want to make this as a PDF, it's very simple. What you have to do is just type and go to the file name on the top, and then type question mark, and then type print PDF, and then press enter. And what happened is that, if you guys didn't notice, the file got arranged in such a manner, the entire slide got arranged in such a manner, and the arrow keys are gone over here. Now it becomes a linear. Now then all the contents become a linear. Okay, all the contents are linear as you see over here. And now what you have to do is that just type Control P, and then there you have it. Your slides are ready to be printed. Though as of now, the only thing there are actually two problems with this. First thing is that you see these lines being, you see the slides overflowing through between pages. This can happen. That is because if your slides are too long to be fit in an entire screen, and you have to scroll them through your mouse to look at it, that's how you designed your slideshow presentation, which is not recommended. Okay, if you do like that, then your text can overflow like this, and then if you have a lot of spaces like between the contents like these, and this can happen. That's the first issue. So to rectify this, what you have to do is just have to keep in mind that when you make your presentation, make sure that it kind of fits nicely within your screen, so that everything goes well. Okay, that's kind of a fix you have to do. Otherwise, you might get the text might overlap like this. Or you might have a lot of blank spaces in between paragraphs and stuff. Second thing what I've noticed is that if you guys are if you guys are syntax highlighting some pieces of code in your program, in your presentations, they do not turn out to be proper in color. The colors may not turn out to be proper. Okay, for instance, if you look at it, the bold font, italic font, and the normal font, they turn out to be fine. Okay, but the colors, they're gone. Okay, the colors are gone. On the other hand, you don't have to worry about the pictures. The color quantities of the pictures are fine. As of now, only the programming syntax code, they have the colors changed. So this is something. This is actually a problem I've noticed. I think there might be some other way to fix this out. I haven't tried that out. If I find it, I'll let you guys know what's happening. Other than that, this is this is a nice working one. It's working fine. So what you have to do is that once this happens, you just have to save. And then let's say I just give this in my desktop. I mean, in my main folder. Let me keep this in my desktop, and I say, and I click rename this photo underscore slides and save it. And there you have it. It's on my desktop. So if I just, there you have it. It's over here. So if I open this, and now I can present this contents in a presentation, in a form of a presentation. The colors may be gone, but the hyperlinking facility, they're all available, so you don't have to worry about it. Just have to, the only thing you have to keep in mind is that when you're making an IPython notebook presentation, make sure that the contents are within a proper pages and stuff, so that they don't overlap. Otherwise you might have overlapping problems like these and stuff. You just have to keep in mind, and while doing that. Other than that, it's perfect. And the colors, other than that, it works pretty fine, and it's still on the development, and somebody might come up with much more developments in the future, and there might be some facilities to make these syntax highlighting come quite nicely. There might features available, so you can just have a look at it. And that's it. And that's all I have for you guys in this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care.